What if I told you that we have a natural alternative to Ozempic? A powerful drink that can help you shed pounds, suppress your appetite, and regulate blood sugar, just like Ozempic, but without the nasty side effects. Ozempic is the hot new weight loss drug, but it comes with side effects like nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, and even the dreaded Ozempic face, rapid weight loss that leaves your face looking saggy in age. Moreover, Ozempic has a boxed warning regarding the potential risk of thyroid tumors, including medullary thyroid carcinoma. Animal studies have shown that Ozempic can increase the risk of thyroid tumors, including a type of cancer called medullary thyroid carcinoma, MTC. Well, Ozempic promotes weight loss by suppressing appetite via hypothalamic GLP-1 activation, slowing gastric emptying, prolonging fullness, reducing food cravings and emotional eating, enhancing insulin sensitivity and fat metabolism. But don't worry. Today, we're revealing a natural, Ozempic-inspired drink that works through the same mechanisms: appetite suppression, metabolism boosting, and blood sugar regulation, all with simple, natural ingredients. The natural Ozempic drink recipe. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag or half a teaspoon matcha powder, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon psyllium husk, 1 cup hot water, half a teaspoon lemon juice. For digestion and taste, optional. Stevia or honey for sweetness. Let's dive into the details of how these ingredients work, and by the end of the video, I'll show you how to prepare it and the best way to consume it. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk, a soluble fiber that absorbs water to form a gel, offers multiple health benefits, particularly for weight loss and gut health. It aids weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness through its ability to expand in the stomach and slow stomach emptying, which reduces calorie intake. Additionally, it helps stabilize blood sugar levels, curbing hunger spikes and cravings, while also regulating bowel movements to promote gut health. Beyond weight management, psyllium husk supports heart health by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol and total cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been explored for its potential role in weight management through various mechanisms. One key mechanism is thermogenesis activation, where cinnamaldehyde, the compound responsible for cinnamon's flavor, stimulates fat cells to burn energy by enhancing lipid metabolism. Additionally, cinnamon may influence appetite-related hormones, such as increasing ghrelin, which stimulates hunger, and decreasing leptin, which signals satiety, though these effects are not consistently supported across all studies. Research, including a systematic review and meta-analysis, suggests that cinnamon supplementation can significantly reduce body weight, BMI, and waist-to-hip ratio, but it does not appear to significantly affect waist circumference or body fat mass. These findings indicate that while cinnamon may aid in weight reduction, further research is needed to fully understand its effects on fat distribution and appetite regulation. Matcha tea. Matcha tea, derived from finely ground green tea leaves, supports weight loss through multiple mechanisms. Its high catechin content, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, enhances fat oxidation and energy expenditure, with studies showing a significant increase in calorie burning when combined with caffeine. Consuming matcha before exercise can improve fat oxidation, making it an effective pre-workout aid. The combination of caffeine and EGCG also influences appetite-regulating hormones, promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, matcha helps stabilize blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, which can prevent fat storage. The presence of L-theanine in matcha reduces stress and cortisol levels, helping to mitigate stress-related weight gain. Turmeric. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, has shown potential in weight management through several mechanisms. It inhibits the formation of fat cells by preventing pre-adipocytes from maturing into fat cells, a process known as adipogenesis, thereby reducing fat accumulation. Curcumin also enhances fat breakdown by increasing levels of key enzymes like adipose triglyceride lipase, ATGL, and hormone-sensitive lipase, HSL, promoting lipolysis and decreasing fat storage. Additionally, it regulates leptin levels, a hormone involved in hunger regulation, which can improve energy metabolism and reduce fat accumulation. Furthermore, Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help combat chronic inflammation linked to obesity and metabolic disorders, potentially mitigating some of the negative effects associated with excess weight. To make the natural Ozempic drink for weight loss, follow these simple steps. Prepare the base. Start by boiling 1 cup of water. Once hot, pour it into a mug or cup. Add green tea or matcha. If using a green tea bag, steep it in the hot water for 2-3 minutes. If using matcha powder, whisk 1/2 teaspoon into the hot water until fully dissolved. Incorporate spices. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon to the mixture, stirring well to combine. Mix in psyllium husk. Stir in 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, ensuring it dissolves completely to avoid clumping. Enhance flavor and digestion. Add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice for refreshing taste and digestive benefits. Sweeten, optional, if desired. Add a natural sweetener like stevia or a small amount of honey to taste. Enjoy. Drink immediately while warm, stirring occasionally to keep the ingredients well mixed. This tea combines metabolism boosting, appetite regulating, and digestion supporting ingredients to aid in weight loss. Recommended frequency: once daily. Ideal for beginners or those sensitive to caffeine, from green tea or matcha, or fiber, from psyllium husk. Have it in the morning or before a meal to support digestion and appetite control. Twice daily. If well tolerated, you can have a second serving in the afternoon or before another meal. Avoid drinking it too close to bedtime, as the caffeine in green tea or matcha may interfere with sleep. Best practices: pair the drink with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal weight management results. Consult a healthcare provider if you have underlying health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking medications, e.g., blood thinners, diabetes medications, or thyroid medications. Thank you for watching. I hope this breakdown of the ingredients and their benefits was helpful for you. If you're ready to give this natural weight loss drink a try, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments how it works for you or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.